Hi, this is a recorded lecture for the IB, DP, Design Technology. This is topic A4.1.6. This is HL content, design and theory, and we're talking about 5D printing. So big picture, you should be able to select an appropriate manufacturing technique used for working with different materials to produce products. From the IB, 5D, dimensional additive manufacturing, involves the rotation of the extruder head and the print bed in order to print in 5 different axes. Students must be able to explain how 5D technology can be used to produce long-lasting and complex components in biomedical, automobile, and aerospace applications. The definition of 5D printing is similar to 3D printing. It is a process of printing multiple thin layers of a material. 5D printing has a rotational extruder head and print bed that can print on 5 axes. Here's those 5 axes. So we have the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. So those are 3. And then because the print head can rotate, and the print head kind of rotating here, and the bed can rotate, that gives you your 2 other axes. So either you're getting rotation in the x-axis and the z-axis, or you're getting rotation in the A-axis and the B-axis, or the B-axis, the C-axis. It just depends on which axis is rotating. But you have the 3 standard, the X, Y, and Z, and then you have rotation either in A, B, or C. This is a video. It's not very long. Please watch it. It's like 18 seconds that shows you a 5-axis 3D printer in operation. Now, the problem with 3D printing is layer lines, and you can see them right here. So you can see these lines that are traveling on this particular 3D printed design. So you see all these multiple lines, and those are weak points within the structure of the actual print. You can see that actually here, where this top piece just sheared right off of this 3D print. And again, you can see the layer lines right here. This is a different filament. This is called TPU. And again, TPU, you can see the layer lines traveling in this horizontal direction. And each one of those layer lines are weak points within the structure of the product that you're printing. 5-dimensional printing eliminates these layer lines and allows you to print without support also. So this is one of the big advantages. So you can see the 5D printing allows you to create forms that would be impossible to print in any other way. It reduces waste because you only print the material that you actually need. There's no wasting of the material or subtractive materials and chips coming off of something. So it reduces waste, and you can make stronger forms without worrying about those layer lines. So this is called isotropic strength, and this can be achieved because the layers are able to be laid in multiple directions. Again, here's a video. Please watch it, and you'll get a sense of all of the movement that's going on in this particular 3D printer. What are some applications? Well, there's applications in patient-specific implants or orthotics. So you can have custom bone implants that can be printed. You can have prosthetics or orthotic supports. The 5D helps because prints along curved anatomical shapes like the skull or femur. It aligns the material with stresses in the directions in the body, and it produces smoother surfaces with less post-processing. And you can kind of see these are some 5D printed parts for medical use. This can also be applied in automotive parts, especially load-bearing brackets or structural components. Here's a couple of examples of those right here. So for instance, you might use them in suspension brackets, engine mounts, lightweight chassis components. It can be used for fibers or materials deposited along stress paths. It eliminates weak vertical layer interfaces, and that's what we talked about with the layers that we get in 3D prints. Printing and angled interior features without supports, and it also produces parts that were previously impossible to produce in any other way. Aerospace components, so airplane parts, so aircraft structural brackets, jet engine, fuel nozzles, or titanium fuel tanks are some applications that you might find for aerospace. It's lightweight and strong. less waste as compared to subtractive manufacturing like CNC milling. You can optimize internal channels, improve strength alignment. You can have complex geometries and high durability in extreme environments. Thank you for watching.